Harimom, Meena, Kavita, Mahalakshmi, Rocky, and Chubangi. Please say something. Are you there? Please say something. Yes.
Amit bhai, if they enable audio, so we will get so much background noise.
No problem. No problem. We'll get it. No price. Okay. So what I will say, just you will have to repeat it. Okay. Please enable your audio. Please enable your audio. Okay.
Yes,
Please
sir.
enable. Please everyone. Please enable audio. If you don't enable audio, then I guess it would be useless to join this the session. So I need your 100%. I am not saying please enable the video. I am just requesting you to enable the audio. Hello. Yes. Only the Shubhangi, please. Okay.
Hello.
Enable your enable audio. Okay. See, we are united. Please say. Please say we are united.
We are united.
We are united.
Okay. In a flow. We are in a flow.
We are in a flow.
We are in a flow.
We are
We are enough now.
Yes. We are in a flow.
We are in a flow.
We are enough now.
We are born to win.
We are
Okay.
We are born to win.
We are born to win.
We are going to win.
We are cracking a session.
We are cracking a session.
We are cracking a session.
We are connecting a session.
I am born to win.
I am going to win.
I am born to win.
I am going to win.
I am born to win.
I am born to win.
Because we are born to win. Okay, we are not here to lose our confidence or anything. What about that English? We can learn a lot of language. Okay, not only that the English, we can learn any other language. Okay, so let me share. Okay, let's get started and let me share my screen now. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. So now what you are able to see on my screen?
Eden
Yes.
Garden Cricket Stadium.
Eden Garden Stadium.
Indian
Cricket
Garden
Stadium.
Stadium. Very good. Again, Supi, Vinny, please answer what you are able to see. See, you give
Eden
answer,
Garden
then mute it.
Cricket Stadium.
Very good,
Eden
very
Garden
nice.
Cricket Stadium. Yeah.
Very nice. So you can see here is a dark green color and here is a the fade green color, right?
Yeah.
Clear? Yes.
Right, sir.
Now
Yes.
let me tell you what is that. Why this reason is. Okay. See this fade here we haven't watered this, and here we have watered. Clear? Because of we haven't watered this stadium, so because of this we could see that it is a fade color, but here the color is not fade, it's green, right? So suppose if you want to suppose if you want to do anything in a life, so you will have to water something. Clear? Try to understand what I'm saying. See, suppose now let me come to the actual point. Suppose if you read one particular word, okay, and if you don't revise it for 1 day, then 5 days, 1 week, then 2 weeks, and 1 month, then what will happen? Your condition would be like this, right? Suppose again, I'm repeating. If you have read one particular word, and then if you don't repeat that particular word, so your brain condition would be like this, the fade. And then after 1 week or 2 weeks, you will not be able to remember that particular word. So here, every day you will have to water your brain. You will have to feed up your brain. Ultimately, I am going practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. So you will have to revise. Then only you will be in such a position that evergreen. Okay. Now, so many guys ask me that, okay, what to do to, how to learn the lot of vocabularies. Okay. If you don't, the revise it, don't repeat it. Then if you don't repeat it, you will be like your memories or your the vocabularies will be like this. But every day, if you revise it, then you will be like this. Your vocabulary is like this. Now, got it? Got it? What you have to got it now?
Yes,
Hello?
Sir, got it.
yes, Samit.
Yes, right? So you'll have to do this thing, you'll have to water it, you'll have to feed up your memory every day, you'll have to revise it, and then only you will be in such a position that you will be, your brain will give that particular word to you automatically without any hesitation, without anything, without any hurdle also, right? So that was my intention to show you the particular slide. Okay. Now let me, okay. So you understood now. Yes. Okay. So already, Shubhangi covered the sentence of the, tense. Okay. She covered the present tense and past tense, right? Okay. She has taken 2 classes. In that classes, she has covered the present tense and the past tense. But now we have to play with only the present tense. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amit bhai. She
Yes.
has taken only present tense, not past and future.
Okay, fine. So we have to play with today with the present tense only.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now I could see what is Raj? No. His name is wait. Rocky. Okay, so Rocky wants to eat an apple a lot. Clear? Okay, so now I have one question. Okay, suppose if you say I eat, and suppose someone is there, then what we say? Hello? Yes, now please enable audio. Okay. Suppose if I eat and then the Pradeep bro is eat something. So what do we say? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Amit bhai.
Yes, Pradeep bro, and just 1 minute. Let me you and someone, please enable audio. So suppose, because we need someone to interact with this. Okay, Devi bro, is it possible for you to enable your audio?
Yes, Samit bhai.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So suppose Devi bro,
Yeah.
the Pradeep bro eat. So what you will say? Suppose I say if I eat. So if you want to say Pradeep bro, so what you will say?
What? I did not get you.
He
Eat.
eats.
Okay.
He eats. You are talking about.
He eats, right?
He
He
eats.
eats, right. He eats, right? Suppose the Pradeep bro done something work. Okay, suppose he has done. So what we say?
He has.
He has, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the Kavita is there. Okay, so Kavita has done something. So what we say?
She has.
She has. Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose someone is doing. So what we say? I. Suppose, for example, now let me repeat it. I eat. You eat. He eats. She eats. Okay. So our sentences, we should have such a flow without any hesitation. For example, now here, do, does, right? And we have the verb also, eat. Okay. So now, for example, if I am eating, if I eat, so what I will say, I eat. And if I want to ask the Pradeep bro, so what I will say, so there is a you, okay. So what I will say, you eat, I eat, you eat. Now I want to ask, see, for my right hand side, there is a boy, and my left hand side, there is a girl. So what I will say, she eats, and then he eats. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am a you, and my right hand side there is a he, and here the she. Okay, so I am preparing the sentences and using this, the flow or whatever I am saying. You can practice it so that you will get the flow. So now see what I am saying, that I eat, you eat, he eats, and Sheets.
Sheets.
Now I want sheets, right? Now I want to ask a question. Okay. Do I eat? Okay. Do I eat? Do I eat? Right? Now suppose I want to throw this question to this guy. Now what would be the question?
Does he eats?
Okay. Now suppose I want to throw this question to that girl.
She eats.
No, she does or does she? I'm asking a question now. See, I want to play with you. Does she eats? Does she eats? Okay. So now what happened? He said, no, I don't eat. Okay. What he's saying that guy, he's the guy. He's saying I don't eat, but she
don't eat.
Huh? She don't.
She does.
See now contradiction. She does. She do. See from the basic
She do.
to advanced.
She don't eat. She don't eat.
No,
Don't eat.
it's wrong. Don't eat. How she don't eat? How can say this?
She does it.
Correct? Huh?
She do it.
She do
She
it.
does it. She
does
does
it. See? So the sentence. See, suppose I eat apple. Okay, I eat apple. I want to ask to her. She eats an apple, and then if there is a question, so what we say? Does she eat an apple? So suppose I want to ask. Okay, she doesn't eat that one. So what in that case? What we say? She does not eat an apple. Here, our tongue and memory, there is no proper connection. Or else what I feel that with our, the jeep, our tongue hasn't that much of a practice. So that's why what we say, she do not. Okay, so we will have to start from practice. We'll have to do such a practice each and every day. Then only we will be fluent in English. There is no shortcut. Got it, my point? Suppose if you are not able to ask the question, okay, not able to ask a question, then it would be difficult. Okay, so now suppose now she's doing, now he's eating. Okay, so what you will say? See now, okay, I will make it fast. Okay, so I will say that he's eating an apple. She is eating an apple. I am eating an apple. You are eating an apple. Now I am asking a question. Oh, are you eating an apple? No, I am not eating apple. But he's eating an apple. Okay, so I have to ask the question. Oh, are you eating an apple? So he's saying that no, I am not eating an apple, but she's eating an apple. So what I'm going to her? Okay, so are you eating an apple? So she is saying that yes, I have eaten an apple. Okay, I'm going to cover that. I have eaten apple. But are you aware? Has he eaten an apple or not? So just let me ask him. Okay, so have you eaten an apple? He's saying, no, I haven't eaten an apple. Okay, so these are the, likewise we'll have to practice it. Okay, now we have that the question word, where, what time, how, why, how long, and when. Then you'll have to ask the question, because if you want to become a leader, so leader only ask a question. Okay, and your team member, they will follow you. So you will have to decide that do you want to become a leader or the just simple the team member, right? Because leader will ask, then ask a question. We have to ask. Okay, so I'm going. Okay, where have you eaten an apple? Where have you eaten an apple? So he will say, no, I haven't eaten an apple, but she has eaten an apple. Okay, so I'm going to ask her, okay, where have you eaten an apple? So likewise, now where replace where with what time? Okay, so what time have you eaten an apple? Okay, then how have you eaten an apple? Then why have you eaten an apple? Then how long? Okay, how long have you eaten an apple? When have you eaten an apple? So likewise, you have to ask a question. I already told you that if you want to become a leader, so you will have to ask so many questions. You will have to play with this, because apart from this, there is nothing. Okay. So now suppose we have completed with for have. Now same thing you can do, ask for the, now you can ask the question, has Pradeep bro, okay, has Pradeep bro eaten an apple? Okay, now remove that has, now put where. Okay, so what I will say, where Pradeep bro has eaten an apple. Okay, are you able to see where? Hello, are you able to see where?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now replace where, put what time. And then make a sentence of a Pradeep bro. So, what time Pradeep bro has eaten an apple? Okay, remove where, how. Okay, I'm putting how. How Pradeep bro has eaten an apple. Remove how. Why Pradeep bro has eaten an apple. Remove why. How long Pradeep bro has eaten apple. Now remove how long. When Pradeep bro has eaten an apple. How simple? How simple? You understood? Okay. So now suppose if you want to count it, okay. Now I want to say that Pradeep bro has eaten 2 apples. Two apples, right? Okay. But I haven't eaten a single apple. You can say, you can make it, because you know you will have to play with your the word forming and the sentences making. Then only you will be able to speak in English. Okay. Now we have taken an example of a eat. Okay, and we know that we eat, ate, eaten, eats, and eating. Okay. So now suppose if I come to the second one, the play. Okay, play. So we know that we have to play a football. Yesterday, day before yesterday, the Shubhangi has covered the topic, the present tense, and she has given an example of play football. Okay. So now what I say that, what I'm saying, Pradeep bro play. Pradeep bro plays football. Pradeep bro play football. But Devi bro doesn't play football. See the difference. Pradeep bro plays football, but Devi bro doesn't play football. Now did Pradeep, now I'm removing bro. Okay, so did Pradeep play football? Did. Okay, did Pradeep play football? So I will say, okay, no. So I will say, he didn't play football. Okay. Now, again, I will go to that playing. Okay. So I'm taking an example, same example of a Pradeep bro. So Pradeep is playing a cricket, playing cricket, playing a football. So suppose if you are making some mistake, so you will have to see, suddenly, you know, my subconscious mind give me instead of football, he gave me the football. So, the cricket. So now, see, my tongue is even not habitual of playing a football. My tongue is, you know, my subconscious mind is playing a cricket. So in that case, what I will do, playing football. I'm playing football, I'm playing football. Give it that 100 times. I'm playing a football. Cricket will not come now. I'm playing a football. Pradeep bro is playing a football. Devi bro is playing a cricket. Rocky is playing a cricket. We all are playing a cricket. Cricket. Now we all are playing a football. So if there is a particular word and you are not able to remember it, so you will have to repeat it until it reaches to your subconscious mind. Then only you will get it, that word. Because see, our brain is, we are in a sleeping mode. Okay. and we don't take it seriously. Okay, so reason being that if you take it seriously, so you will have, it will not take a time. But now here I would like to tell you the one thing also. See, the most important thing what I could observe, that you will have to think in English only. You will have to start think from starting the moment you get up, okay, and then when you go to the bed. So think in English. Okay, give your 3 months to think in English. I don't think so. No one will say that you are you don't have that the fluency, or you don't have the good communication. But only the thing is that you will have to think in English, whatever it means. Suppose if you come across in particular word, note it down and then repeat it. Already I given an example of a Eden garden. Okay, so likewise you will have to repeat it. And these are the questions, right? Where, what time, how long. So these are the questions. So you just, you'll have to mold it. Okay. You'll have to, prepare the sentence, Okay. So now then we have played cricket. We have played football. They have played football, right? I have played football. Then she has played football. He has played football. So you'll have to repeat it. Now again, coach ask the question. Has he played football? Okay. Then ask question. Where has he played football? Then remove where. What time has he played football? Remove what. How has he played football? Remove how. Why has he played football? Remove why. How long has he played football? Remove that. Then when has he played football? Come to that she. Okay. So she has played football. Has she played football? Okay. Remove. Where she has played football? What time has she played football? How has she played football? Why has she played football? How long has she played football? When has she played football? So this sentence structure, whatever the sentence, it should be in your mind. It should reflect, in front of your eyes. Now, if I'll say, okay, she has played football in a stadium, but he has played football in on a ground. So likewise, okay, you'll have to ask, you'll have to mold the sentence, you'll have to create, you'll have to ask so many questions each and, every day. Then only you will not, stuck anywhere. You will get the words automatically for a while. Suppose now I don't know, I may be a little bit fast. I should have, taken little bit slowly, but because of that poor internet connectivity and because this thing, so I had to, my speed, I feel that my speed is little bit fast, but I don't know what I have delivered because it is my first time where I am delivering this thing. Okay, so we have to concentrate. Now I ask you the first thing, right? First thing is that suppose if you want to develop your personality, so you need to attract the attention of your audience also, right? Then only they will concentrate. Here we don't have the interaction. I mean, we don't have that the proper internet speed. Okay, and everyone's the screen or video is not enabled. So that's why we are not able to make that that much of interactive what I am expecting. Okay, because ultimately, you will have to deliver a lot. Okay, so these are what I have given you. Yes, please ask if you. Yes, Pooja, please ask your question.
Okay, actually, sir, I'm just learning you. What are you teaching us now? Yeah. I'll ask in the end.
No. I see. And one more thing that I would like to add you'll have to idioms also. For example, now for example there are some certain the idioms. I will share that idioms with you. For example, now I want to say something. Okay, now I will change my mode. Okay, so suppose if you want to learn English, so the English is not hard nut to crack. Okay, it is a dime a dozen. Okay, and learning English is, it's not difficult, but
Yes, sir.
not difficult. Instead of not difficult, you can say it is not a rocket science. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is very easy. It is a piece of a cake. Learning English is a piece of a cake. Okay, and it is, if you want to make a noise in the word, means get successful, then you will have to give your dedication. If you want to see change means बहुत बड़ा बदलाव, see change. If you want to see a see change in you, then you will have to do a hard work.
Yes,
Otherwise, without hard work, you will not able to see change.
yes, sir. Absolutely.
So these are the things. These are the, you'll have to add in your vocab while delivering something, so that someone will, oh, now he's using idiom, okay, something, right? So how many idioms I've used while, while talking. So you'll have to use the idioms also in a proper way, in a proper, okay. So then someone will consider that, oh, he's a good person. He
Yes.
knows something about that English. Okay,
Yes.
so
Sir.
you should have that idioms with you also, phrases also, right? And then auxiliary words also. So these are, our base, and base. I would say this is the base of it. The do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were, then will, then have, has, had, then can, could, should, would, should have, could have, would have, then out to. Okay, so these are the base. Okay, and then, we have the make, we have get. Okay, we have put. Okay, and then other things. Okay, so get up. Okay, make up. Likewise word. Every day you try to make some sentences using this. Okay, you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So
Actually, sir, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I have a question for you. Actually, sir, I just read some like idioms, phrases, but sometimes I'm not able to use in the sentences. Yeah, I can use in a simple form,
Yes.
like in a simple sentences. But when it
Yes.
comes to like it will we will use
Okay.
in the
Yes.
difficult sentence,
Okay.
then it's
Yes.
difficult.
Okay. Fine. See, I already told you that to become fluent in English, it doesn't happen overnight. You will have to do a practice. You will have to do. If there is a particular course, we will say that, okay, we'll learn English in 5 days, learn English in 50 days, learn English. I don't think so it will work. Okay. Now let me give you an example of my son. Okay. Now he knows switch off light, switch on light, thank you, welcome, let's go. Okay, and let's go. So suppose if I shout on him, the moment I shout him, he says, sorry, Papa. He says, sorry, Papa. So now how he feels, you will have to feel English. He said, how suppose, if I give something, okay, suppose for example, the chocolate. If I give chocolate to him, he says, thank you, Papa. So how that sense come? How that important is that you need to feel it. Forget about this grammar and all these things. Okay, I don't believe in that grammar. Even I am not, I'm not interested. Just, I have to show you that. That's why I shown the slide. But you learn to sense that English every day. You learn to, you learn to, the feel it. I already given an example of my son. Okay, now voice modulation. You try to do it each and everything, because see now today, now today is the 20th Jan. But after 3 or 4 months or after 1 year, obviously I will get a much more fluency now from these days. Because but there is also condition. If I don't water my plant, then I will be the same. I will be in the same position what today I am. Right? Suppose if I want to see changes in me, then I will have to brush up. I will have to read every day. So there are the two things only: listening. Okay, you will have to first concentrate on the listening and then speaking. Okay, then you can go for reading. Okay, no problem. But these two things are very important in English. Listening. Then only you will be able to get what you want to say, or what you want to achieve in your life. So two things: listening and what are the, you'll have to do a practice. Initially, I still remember that whenever I want to send the audio clips, I used to make the notes like, okay, now this is this one. Okay, then I was just reading and then sending that. But after that, I thought that, okay, now I got enough confidence without any, reading the paragraph, I can send the audio clip. Then I started to send my audio clip. Okay, then I thought now I have little bit confidence, I can send my videos also. So see, this is the step-by-step process, step-by-step process. But you should not stop, because there would be a lot of obstacle. Okay, you will have to overcome on that obstacle. Okay, you should not, because now see, for example, even I remember that Prashant or someone asked, I don't know, Om or someone asked, why you are learning English? So I given a simple example. My son, I will put my son in international school, okay, and hope that one day you will become another father, you will also become a mother also, right? Now, today's world is a competition world, right? What mistake we have done, will we repeat that mistake with our son or our brother or anyone? No, we are not going to repeat it, that, this history again.